Hello. Uh, I have already added this domain controller into the AD. Now I am going to demote it. Log on to the domain controller. Click on manage. Remove roles. Next. Next. Then you can uncheck. But since I already added it, so it will give me a message. First I need to demote this domain controller. I need to force removal of the domain controller. That will clean up all the settings. Next, proceed for removal. If you want to uninstall both on the same time, password which we want to give the password administrator password for the 2012 system. Here that will be given at the time of login back to the system. So this password must be good enough. Easy to remember, and keep it in password safe something or somewhere, so that, and this is very good feature this time Windows came up with. This PowerShell script also we can use it. It will also have the same features, everything, and you will able to see what's going on around. Domains DNS server also detected. Now it's going to demote it, so let's wait for, not, it is not going to take time, but net logon service must be in started mode. Here the feature is that if net logon service is not started, it will not going to demote it, but 2012 is well managed and smart enough. And meanwhile it is doing the uninstallation, we can after uninstallation we can review the log. It should remove everything. There should be no error logs, and basically we are not going to use the domain controller, so it's okay. Also, in case any, just make sure that there is no domain controller error reported on this server. Before uninstalling, make sure that you are able to ping the domain controller, so that its ping response will tell us how much time it is going to take in installation. And some of the new features came up with 2012 are best practice analyzer (PPA), but never start this service in production time, because what it will do, it will try to analyze everything like performance monitor, counter, everything. So it will be bigger one in case if we are not able to identify the issue, then it may cause performance degradation or some issues like that. Computer is started being activated, service installed or removed. That's the nice features. Show green, show more, everything. That's the feature and best part of 2012. It's very fast, and on VM also it will boot up very fast, so not to worry so much. Booting time is very much reduced by to the Windows this time. Server uptime is so fast. And virtual server, benefit of having virtual server is that uh, it will not take time to boot, time is reduced, and downtime, obviously downtime is reduced if you are running in cluster environment or HA and DRS. So combination of virtual and Windows is best right now. Many of the companies are having 90% virtualized environment. We are able to demote this server in from domain controller. Now it is local server, it is no more in domain. Hope this will help how to demote 2012 domain controller, and next lesson we will start with the installation everything part of the domain controller. Meanwhile, keep watching, keep giving suggestion, and future if you want uh, what all you are looking for, please do share the feedback so that we can improve.